More testimony from witnesses who saw Christopher Wright in the hours before his death, and Darryl Roberts testifying in his murder trial today. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh Rowe. This was day 4 of the trial. Judge Boyd Patterson and Roberts' attorney both let Roberts know today he did not have to testify, and if he chose not to, the jury could count that against him in their deliberations. Roberts acknowledged this and took the stand anyway.
And we also heard from a woman who described Wright's attitude and actions that night at the bar Jack Brown's when she used to work there. She testified he flirted and was very drunk at the time.
News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum continues her reporting from the courthouse tonight. She joins us now to tell us more about what happened today in court. Mary Beth.
Josh, Kim, the trial of Darryl Roberts continued Thursday morning, and this afternoon we got to hear from the defendant about what he says happened that night 2 years ago.
Hear him say anything at this point?
He walked up and he said something to the effect of something about.
Darryl Roberts took the stand to testify about the Market Street shooting caught on camera that took Chris Wright's life.
I'm not denying the fact that I shot this man, but what I am contesting is the fact that it wasn't premeditated. I did not think when I got up to shoot that man.
Roberts says the gun he fired was later destroyed, but explained why he had it to begin with.
Did you have a gun?
Yes, sir.
And what kind of gun was it?
357.
Why did you have a gun?
Protection mostly.
But Roberts said he didn't plan to pull that trigger.
I picked up my glass, I turned around, he was still laying there. And I was angry with myself for what I done.
Earlier in the day, the defense called a former bartender from Jack Brown's Burger Bar.
I told him that I wanted to make sure that he got home safe, and that I'd be willing to get his Uber. And he said, I don't want your damn Uber.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
He said, I don't want your damn Uber, but he could get one himself.
She testified that Wright told her he planned to go to his office, but he never made it there. Court ended for the day around 30 minutes ago, but this trial is expected to resume on Monday morning. We'll keep you updated. Reporting live, I'm Mary Beth Mangrum, News Channel 9.
All right, Mary Beth, thank you. We've been live streaming the trial on our social media platforms. You can go back and watch the trial there.